Welcome to the 23 Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is the 23 Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Ahly 0. CAF Champions League, my brother, how's it?
Sharp, my brother.
Sharp, thanks. How do you feel about the game today?
The game for today, man, is not very good for middle front line.
Yeah.
It's not to care for good football. A lack of wins, lack of run. If the Sundowns was running from center until out of 18 running, and then they give the space for goal, for finishing goal. It was very good, perfect play. No, Ellie play too much touches. Next time Sundowns must change and put and run is together.
Runners, yeah.
Yeah, no, not
runners.
Runners. Run.
Oh yeah, they must run. Kitchen,
yeah. It makes no kitchen makancane ukuthi.
Oh yes.
What benzani? Ngibona ukuthi ba recover isihlapha ihlukene. Ba recover ngama touches isihlapha bagcine sebayi5 ubayi6.
Oh yeah, ushithi bagcina ibhola kakhulu.
Bagcina ibhola kakhulu iSundowns. Next game nabafika le emothi ba into zobanceda mina ma runs and then ama finishing pass. Today from Kaizer Chiefs and Paris Sundowns lack of finishing pass. And still today is the same game. If Sundowns are going to play last together, this game, Lama Kemasel, so they were winners. So my exam ukuthi igijima ngamabholo bazame ne-energy yokugijima mina ngibone sonke ispace bascored baphika nama-touches too much.
Oh yes.
This play is good, but a lack of run inside.
Oh yeah.
And space and passing and finishing pass. If Sundowns was got that finishing pass, also got 2-1.
No,
so no pressure, coach. I take it Shalulil out. If I leave Shalulil, and then I make counter attacks with Shalulil. It was very so totally cold. Gubu 70 to Shalulil. I'm a counter attack. Just the skill. Putting about Jonja. Agana skill so Jonja in it up. The problem is now.
No, sama
ako. Ana lungi sa lezo zinto. Ama runs, nama pass.
Thank you.